She's hot, but you can hear that noise. I'm gonna open her up. Probably have some bad rollers, and that drum is totally destroyed. Probably can't use this drum anymore. So let's take a look. All right, so this top pops up, and to do that, you pretty much just grab the back, you hold the front, and you pull this back piece forward, and you're able to just lift it up. Okay, it's up. Let's try it again. All right. Have something that you can lay the back on, so you don't put a lot of strain on the wires. So just make sure it's leaned back. That's good. All right. So this is in really bad shape. These rollers, in fact, I went to buy this dryer and a washer from that customer, and he stated, oh, you know, they're perfect. And I got there, the washer was good, GE, and they had some balls inside, you know, like laundry balls. And so I turned the dryer on, I took the balls out, and the wife, you know, said, oh yeah, the laundry balls that do make some noise. I said, no, I took those out. And, you know, they said, you know, you can have it for parts if you wanted. So I paid him for the washer. In fact, I still gave him 20 bucks for this. So, all right, we're gonna open her up. This might be totally gone, not sure. We'll take a look. A lot of times when you have a bad roller, it totally destroys the drum. You can see how shiny that is. That's horrible. So I'm gonna open her up, and you have your door switch, pull tab, pull, it comes out. And these models, by the way, guys, will have different dismantlation. Some will have screws up top. I think these are the cheaper ones. They're pretty basic, and they just have the fancy user. And so 5/16 screw, and over there, then you just pretty much just lift the front of this thing, and it's free. Now, I offer to support this. You can get a wire, attach it, and then do a loop there. So when you take the front off, it's not falling down, and you have something to support the drum as you work on it, even though the drum is coming out. So this holds it up just a little bit, and you can remove the belt. Take a look at this machine. It's got everything in there, full of lint. Coins. Alright, so this thing will have to be fully dismantled. Coins. Lots of coins, actually. And all this stuff. So everything was falling out back there and getting destroyed. Look at that junk. Look at all that stuff. So, all right, let's pull this drum out, take a look. check this out. Imagine running your dryer to the point to where, and the guy said, oh yeah, everything works on it. Let's be before you. So maybe I'll get my money back with coins. So, all right, we're gonna clean this thing out. And basically the bulkhead, it's fine. A little wear, but it's fine. We're gonna replace, wow, look at this roller. Totally done. Wow. It's crazy. I've seen some crazy stuff, guys. This is, you know, one of them. So this drum will have to be replaced as well. It can't run. That drum is just blower. Ammonia needs to be blown out. Put all this stuff back here. Just everything. So, coins, more coins. Alright, so, alright guys, I'm going to replace this drum as well. And so it's just 2 rollers. We do have those, but we do have to get behind here. You can get it from back here and take the back to get this one off. Replace those 2 rollers and the drum. I might have a drum for this. And we should be up and running. So, alright, we'll get all this done. Alright, so the best way really to get to these rollers, I already took one off, removed the back of the dryer, and this is another dryer I'm taking these rollers from, and it's so much easier than trying to fight with it. Yes, you can. I have videos on that as well, but so much easier. Just take the back cover off and get it done. You have a washer and there's your nuts. Alright, let's get this on. Alright, so a lot easier, just take this cover off and you're able to just take this off. Super easy, fast and quick. Alright, and we're going to vacuum the top of that. Got a tool in here, look at that. So always check your blower wheel area. Might need a magnet to pull that out, or a needle nose. Alright, we'll pull that out. Gotta clean this motor out, gonna blow it out, air compress. A new drum and new rollers. Now you remember how wide the gap was? Look at that, nice and smooth. That's how it should be. It's gonna be nice and quiet. All right, let's put the belt on. Nice and hot. Take a look again. Seal is perfect. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.